Hindi hangin.
What's up guys? Kami nga pala ngayon Ditch Riders and ako si Nash and papunta kami ngayon sa Infanta Quezon. Pero bago ang lahat, syempre dito na tayo magpapagas. Gaya niyan, dapat laging ganyan, laging full tank, laging busog yung baby natin.
I know that's not that much I'm sure of, 'cause I've been.
If you've ever been lost out yonder, out where the blacktop ends on a back road, can I get a hell yeah? Hell yeah! If you've ever been buzzed on a drop tailgate with the glow of a bonfire burning, can I get an amen?
Yun lang may hindi inaasahang pangyayari.
Naman siya namatay siya ng apat yan. Sira ng tropa.
Sa ganitong senaryo, kailangan lagi kang handa.
Hindi talaga may iwasan sa lahat ng nag-rides na ganito. Masisiraan. Kaya buti na lang. May mga talang gamit. Dapat ganun kapag nag-rides may mga gamit talaga. Para in case emergency makagaman. Kaya na, yung situation na. Buti may dalang gamit.
So yun, natapos din. Nagawan din ng paraan agad.
Sitting up between those wooden pews on Sunday morning. Oh, what a night. And if you have, then lift your glass, raise them up and show some love to a better life.
Andito si Arnold at si Vincent para mamili ng mga pagkain at makapili na rin.
Tamang bili ng lechon. Chinox. Kami mag-aagahan muna dito lang sa Bay Pares. Kaya yun, kain tayo guys.
Sweet home Alabama, bartenders, snacks on me. Say thank you all out there for keeping it country. Skinny dipping back.
Food trip sa Parisan. Kain. Umuusok pa oh. Halo. Di balat. Yes, sorted. Umuusok pa. Sarap ng balat. Taon na rin.
Say thank you all out there. This one's on me. Say thank you all out there for keeping it country. Skinny dipping, back flipping, cow tipping, moonshine sipping. Keeping it country, bonfire burning, wood tires turning, cowboys burning, hangover hurting. Keeping it country, keeping it country. Story of my life has left some bruises and a few unspoken scars that we don't talk about.
Guys, nakikita nyo ba yung mga nasa harap ko ngayon? Ito yung harap ko ngayon guys.
And the these highways that lead me down these narrow streets, only to find a dead end again, with no detour and no room for me to turn around. So I pray I'm on the right path, 'cause where I'm going I don't know, but I hope I find the
Bago pumasok sa Agus River, may babayaran ngayon 10
has
piso.
left some bruises.
Ayan kay ate. Hindi na kami.
Spoken scar,
10 piso.
we don't talk,
Okay.
see what the future holds.
Agus River na.
Start the day, find my way.
Oh guys, andito na kami sa Agus River. What's up guys? Andito na tayo sa Agus River.
I
Papakita ko sa
sure
inyo.
could use some help,
Let's go.
some
Kami
direction,
sa Agus River.
something familiar, a friendly face to know I'm close to home. 'Cause right now I'm so damn tired, not knowing where I'm headed again. I could use a sign, something simple to know I'm not alone. So I pray I'm on the right path, 'cause where I'm going I don't know, but I hope I find the answers somewhere down the road. Gotta keep moving on, 'cause yesterday's gone. See what the future holds. Start the day, find my way somewhere down the road. Yeah, I've been staring up at this mountain for quite some
Gar, tuloy na
time,
Migar. Nasa Agus River na Migar.
hoping that my journey is on an uphill climb. So I pray I'm on the right path, 'cause where I'm going God only knows, and I hope I find redemption somewhere down the road. Yeah, gotta keep moving on, 'cause yesterday's gone. See what my future holds. Start the day, yeah, find my way somewhere down the road. So off I go to face the unknown somewhere down the road. Somewhere down the road. Back at one again, starting over, 2 feet stuck in hell. Thought I was doing fine, but now I'm
Pero syempre bago ang lahat. Ganyan. May natutulog na naman. Hindi na talaga nadadala. Kaya ito, pampagising para sa'yo, Arnold Dato.
covering up my heart, but you're here again, back in my arms. Wish I had the strength to go. How come? Just can't tell you no. You've got this hold on me that I can't break, can't set me free. You're like a drug that pulls me in, down a rabbit hole I go again, to learn what I didn't learn the last time. Waking up with you tonight, you're like a shot of whiskey, 100 proof that goes down easy. Release the fire burning on my lips, it stays longer than just one kiss. I keep trying to put you down, but I keep coming back around to feel that rush going through my head.
Uwi na. Tapos namin sa Agus River guys. Uwi na. Outfit check. What's up guys? Tapos kami, solid na ako sa dito guys. Kaya kung sa inyo, magsali na. Kaya yun. I'm Cash. So, magbababay na ako and pauwi na kami. Thank you guys.